And we'll start with Reuters, please.
Sure, Idris Ali from Reuters. One of the missiles that you mentioned.
Today, the United States is unveiling new evidence of Iran's ongoing missile proliferation. The Iranian threat is growing, and we are accumulating risk of escalation in the region if we fail to act. In the time since Ambassador Haley's remarks, Iran's support of the Houthi militants has deepened. Its backing of terrorist activities across the world has increased, and its efforts to undermine regional stability have expanded. The inventory in this display has expanded since December. This is a function of Iran's relentless commitment to put more weapons into the hands of even more of its proxies, regardless of the suffering. Today, we are unveiling Iran's Syad 2C surface-to-air missile, which you see behind me. This missile was designed and manufactured in Iran, and the writing in Farsi on its side translates as the Hunter Missile. The conspicuous Farsi markings is Iran's way of saying they don't mind being caught violating UN resolutions. The Iran nuclear deal has created a climate where, so long as Iran is in compliance with a non-proliferation deal of modest gains and temporary benefits, that so long as Iran is in compliance with this deal, somehow they're in compliance with all sorts of international norms and standards. The fact of the matter is that during the implementation of the Iran nuclear deal, Iran has expanded its threats to peace and security in almost every category: terrorism, terror finance, cyber attacks, maritime aggression, human rights violations. And so we are now out of the deal, and it gives us a great deal of freedom and leverage to address the entire range of Iran's threats to peace and security.
We're very pleased to welcome Special Representative Hook, who will be briefing today on the Iran materiel display. We will have brief remarks followed by questions. This event is on the record for the press.